now is the long-awaited room tour. So a lot of you guys have noticed, but I did redecorate my room a little bit, and I am so excited with how it turned out. I just really love the whole vibe of it. It is so me, so super excited to share with you guys what I did here. Also, you're probably wondering why I would bother doing my room, because I am going to college next year, but I actually decided I will be pre-filming a lot of my first term videos for college over the summer, so I'll be using this space a lot, and I wanted to like make the most out of it and make it a space I really liked. And also keep in mind that this is also like a studio basically. Like I have decorated it to be very film friendly and just kind of work with that. So maybe this isn't like how a normal person would decorate their room, but it is perfect for YouTube, and I thought it would be just a great investment to decorate it. So yeah, with that being said, without further ado, let's get started. So here is a little bit of an overview of my room before we get started in all the details. So as you can see, I kind of have like a blush pinky tone going on here. That's kind of like the main color of my room. And I also have lots of accents of light colored wood and some like warm toned metallics. So lots of gold and rose gold and copper and that kind of stuff. Okay guys, so starting off with this whole section of my room. So this door right here is my bathroom, and right outside of that I just have my laundry hammer. So I got this on Amazon. I don't think it's really meant to be like for laundry. I think it's more of like just a decorative storage thing, but I don't really have a closet I can put like a traditional laundry hamper in, so I thought I'd get like a cute little bin and just use that as my laundry thing. And then right next to my bathroom on this wall right here, I just have this big floor-length mirror. And then as you can see, I also have this dog bowl right next to it, just like so my dogs can have some water, because they do actually sleep in my room at night. And since I do my hair here, I have a lot of my hair stuff right next to the mirror. So this shelf, I think it might be older than me. It was from like literally my nursery, and yeah, it's made it all the way here. So I have like these little bins in here that I actually got from Wegmans. So I use these kind of like brown bins to store everything in. So I have like a lot of hair products here, and then all my like hot tools like flat iron, curling iron, hair dryer, stuff like that. And then on top of that, I have this really nice fake plant, because honestly I can't keep a real plant alive, so fake plants are pretty much all over my room. So I got like these droopy like leaf things from Michael's, and I basically arranged them in this pot, which I believe is from Home Goods, and I stuck them in like a little wreath thing inside the pot and just like arranged them to look like a very droopy kind of artsy looking plant here. So yeah, these are all fake, and I think there's maybe like 3 or 4 of these like stick things stuck in here to make this look like a plant. So moving on to my desk over here. So the actual desk here is from IKEA, and this little swivelly chair I just got a couple months ago for Christmas, and it is from Amazon. So yeah, I basically just keep like all my school stuff, like pens, sticky notes, paper, stuff like that, like in these drawers. And I have some like pens and stuff up here in some like little cans I spray painted like a copper color. And I also do my makeup here. So I have this little makeup mirror right here. And then right next to my desk, I have this gold cart, which I keep all of my makeup stuff in. So if I'm doing my makeup in the morning, I can just kind of like roll that on over next to me. And one of my favorite like spots, walls in my room, is above my desk right here. So first of all, I have this like rose gold map I got from Urban Outfitters. It's actually scratch off, so I can scratch off the places I've been to. Haven't gotten around to doing that yet. I think I kind of just like it as is, but I don't know, we'll decide later. And I also have like a rose gold clock up there, which I got from Amazon. These little like gold spiky things, which are from Target. And also this little sign that says today's been canceled, go back to bed. That's also from Target, as well as this little rope hangy thing. And then this little like photo sunglass holder thing. I actually made this in a DIY video maybe like a year ago or so I'm still using that. Oh, and also this white trash can under my desk, that is from Amazon as well. So over here is the bed area. I spend most of my time here, not gonna lie. So on the corner next to my bed, I just have that bin with like some extra blankets and pillows and stuff like that. So When my bed's not made, I'll keep some of these like pillows and blankets in there too. And then on either side of my bed here, I have these two little end tables. They're also from Target. They're actually really nice quality and pretty cheap too. So I got two of them here. So on this table on the left side of my bed, I just have like this lamp I got from Target. It has like a geometric kind of base to it, and it's pink to go with the rest of my room. I also keep this like old-fashioned alarm clock there as well, which I got from Amazon. And then also I just have like a bunch of my like nail stuff, like nail files, cutters, stuff like that. So there's that. And then on the other bedside table, I just have a printer I got from HP. I actually have two printers, if you can see that over there. I did some work with HP last year, so I have a ton of like stuff from them, like paper and obviously printers too. So that is why I have two printers. I don't really use both of them. But anyway, the main attraction in my room is definitely my bed. It's really like the center of everything. I have it in the middle of my room. It's pretty much like the focus of all my video backgrounds too. So the actual bed here is from IKEA. I will link that down below. I actually got this maybe like 2 or 3 years ago, but they do still sell it, and honestly, really great bed. It has like drawers all under the bottom, so I keep all of my extra pillows and blankets there, which is great because I have a insane collection of just like throw pillows and blankets that I don't really need, but yeah, I keep them all under there. It's a little stuffed, but it works. And then this comforter here I actually just got. So this is from Urban Outfitters. It was a little bit more on the expensive side, but definitely worth it. I'll link that down below. And this blanket here, I've literally had forever. I have no idea where it's from. Probably Target though, not gonna lie. I really get like everything from Target. And of course, all these pillows back here are also from Target. Target has really great throw pillows. I've always got my pillows there. Really nice, pretty cheap too. And then above my bed here, I have like this big photo display thing, which I actually just made by nailing a bunch of nails in my wall and then wrapping some twine around it. And then I just hung a bunch of these photos with some paper clips on the twine. I actually really love this photo display. Above my bed, it was just like super boring, and it really just like adds something cool to my room. So next to my bed over here, I have this ladder here. I used to have a loft bed. I don't know if you guys remember this. It was like 3 years ago in my old bedroom. I had a loft bed, and this is the ladder from that. So this E at the top here, I actually made a DIY video maybe like a year or two ago. And then below that I have like my Polaroid camera displayed along with this little succulent in a geometric gold thing I got from Michael's. This gold elephant here, which is also from Michael's. I have 3 little succulents, also from Michael's, and then another spray painted animal, a unicorn, and this random elf that has been chilling in my room since Christmas and haven't put it away yet. But honestly, I think it's pretty cute, so I'm gonna keep it there. And then right next to that, I have my other printer. This is really the one I used. It's like a photo printer, I guess. Once again, from the thing I did with HP. But yeah, so I have that there. And then the little storage thing I have under it, that is from Home Goods. And this is where I keep a lot of my camera supplies. I have like all my lenses in here, stabilizers, camera accessories, all that. Like a majority of my camera stuff is in there. So right here is my dresser. I keep a lot of my clothes in here, except I have shirts over there in the closet, but everything else is right here. So this is from IKEA. Not gonna lie, it's not the best quality, but like it does the job, you know, so I guess it works. And then on top of here I have all of my jewelry displayed. So these necklace holders I have on the table are from Target. And then on this side I have these little boxes here that I keep like bracelets and earrings in. These are from Home Goods. I also have a lot of my perfume over here. My YouTube 100 subscriber thing is also displayed here. And then of course another plant, which I believe is from Home Goods. I want to say. I think it really ties this whole thing together. So above my dresser here, I have this little like wall decoration thing. Really there's no purpose to it, it's just like cute. That is from West Elm, I believe. I will link that down below. I also have these 2 prints hanging on my wall. I actually just found these online and printed them out myself, like on a printer. And then I bought these frames really cheap from Michael's and just framed them, hung them up. So if you're ever in need of like some really cheap wall decor, just like print out cool prints online on your printer and then just hang them up. Honestly, I think it looks pretty good. But anyway, I also have this mirror here from Wayfair, kind of going with the whole geometric theme I have sort of going on in my room. And then on the other side here, I have this print I got from Urban Outfitters that just says Peachy on it. It was very overpriced. I'm not sure if I'd recommend doing that when you can literally get stuff printed at like Target for way less money and then frame it yourself. But yeah, I got that from Urban Outfitters. I still think it's pretty cute though. And then the necklace mirror holder below it is also from Urban Outfitters. And then next to my dresser here, I have this clothing rack. It is purely for decoration. This is just a fraction of my clothes. All my other clothes are over there in the closet, but this is just like some of the clothes that really fit the aesthetic of my room, honestly. So I have some of those hanging there, along with this bag and then a backpack over there. This rack is from Amazon, but I realize now I definitely overpaid for this because they have much cheaper ones at like Target and Walmart and stuff. But anyway, next to my clothing rack, I just have this potted plant. It's fake, of course, but I got it on Amazon. But I actually got it as a video prop, and this was before I redid my room. But honestly, I really like the whole aesthetic of it in my room, and that's kind of like what inspired me to redo my room and just like make it look a little more sophisticated and more put together. So moving on, the wall opposite of my bed here, this is just like where my closet is. It is very full. I have a lot of stuff, and honestly, I don't even keep most of my clothes in this closet. I have like another regular size closet like over there. This is honestly just all my YouTube stuff plus sweatshirts, which is just like a small part of it. I do have my shoes in there too, but also like the rest of my camera stuff, a lot of the stuff I got when I was working with HP. It's kind of a mess in there. We're not gonna go into that. But yeah, so above that I have like a gold unicorn head bust thing. It's like paper mache, but I believe it's actually from Pottery Barn Teen. I've really had it forever. I think it's kind of like a funny addition to my room. Like it's kind of weird, but also like sort of into it, yeah. But anyway, so in the center of my whole room here, I have this coffee table. I believe this is from Wayfair. I might be wrong, but I'll have it linked down below. This was only like a little over $100, so really cheap too. I will say it's not like the sturdiest table, but it does its job. The top also has like a marble print on it too, which I really like. And then like the legs are gold, which also goes with my side tables too, which is really great. And last but not least, this bubblegum pink carpet here is from Amazon. I've had this forever. I'm not sure if it really goes with my room, but I like having like this pop of color, so I'm gonna keep it here. If it's still available, I will link it down below, but I've had this for a couple of years now. But yeah, looks like that is it for the room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have Instagram and a Twitter, both at @Elbells. So go ahead and follow me on all of those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!